CJ
Mache
mejo so
anwode wo ho
nyame te ase
ya de nyame ase
yakwasa ba
nonso no aba pa ho semadu no ba yi nkrata no a
na ebedi ho
na ebedi ho nkomo nkrata no a na ebedi mu nkomo
kata so de sembebre na aba and is so far bamefa okuni na nkasa nhase okuni daily graphic
na me hu say ewie mihyan no esi soro mfoni ne da ho no
o sa for e kasa etu afa wie moaye
nesa agye na ho kra
presidential jet grounded esi from say dwudwura air travel worthiness uncertain Nti Ghana mampani wiem shen fa kon 900 no esi from say dwudwure si e kase ya mana tu afa wiem no ya adwemu ye nanta
ebeboa
ya adwemu nanta
ento mampani kura okro akodu malabo yi jata no na de ne kura ye won
se be dia be possible say jata na no de beko jata na na ja e de beko because ye de ekotoe no na ho de no e wo fom and e me nwanwa se wiem hye ekotoe looks as if say e chense ya to trotro
e kapa mum na aba bebo en
every blessed year menyini se mampani bia betena konya so yisu no continuous for 2 years crowd
I won't come 1 year mpo
every blessed a year or two you're grounding so I must say sika say ne de koto sa wiem hyen
edin
could we have buy something far more better than we have today so CJ any money cause o hwe sika akosa wiem hyen siesie ho ebra no a megide say maybe asoman ye ken obom ka kire ho say yan top papa
prekun nkebeboa
maybe nkebeboa
because a car yabo in maintaining and servicing that day awreho say we am shemba ko the BS mampani eda say be charter flight the man say president mama say oba yenye Ibrahim Muhammad Daruma eno wo bia settling ke bianka one charter flight oba yusu commercial flight na dia ko etu de kwan ena bia meka se nipa sije se na opie na ebu de fa wo nanka
yes pani bi na ka se wo se wonu mabonte a ye hu dem ba ho asiesie na mampani wo ba o te commercial flight how many countries never for serious
there be
tell them for being tiasie because development na ye kado e makwa o prove to people your worth and now was wo ska sen ka o chata de bai now what me an chata
ye konhia mu bi na man
what commercial mu what airport transfer flight
e be ye man na
wakotem ye tuatu na me fam sika $1 billion special economy na wo betimi ahwe so wo betimi ahwe so sika no so
wezu kwa ka amount for the bear politics
that is it and I'm because if
amount for the bear politics
CJ it's because your man for sabi baby na kwa man say me NDC and MPP but the reality ni say enye ne kwa sa America for beto sa wiem shake say dia mo mampani o vis-a-vis e ka America de
nanka
omo na hongro so sa o
nanka
but they want to bring their president in such a way say you can say American president eba who show who ye die chire like I say Ibrahim Mama onye ska man abro so beto a private jet
but onim what it means as a businessman
I'm say onye ska no hu no fiscal nye
as a businessman obe won no private jet
what you say e don't you see to be kasa bi nsem a e no man ni ska o man nya ska da o man CJ enye sika da but how we hold the penny for and how you penny for so value ye and mo bi kukuru sika twetwere die me see and what the next best 2 weeks me the list betro who said Donald Trump buy was say amount for bet me invest in America with certain amount of dollars
yes
obemo omo nkrata bia wetim de atena ekromo no eyepa I'll show you the number of African
businessmen. Yeah.
Ako invest in America.
And you ask yourself, say, then GDR na wamunya ewo Africa.
Rather they will invest
yes.
America.
You ask yourself. Kwesi
Ablekuma not violence. Tame electoral vigilantism expert advocate. Eti daily graphic chemo one empenifo ko makobes 9 and atwe enkono nyina no akobem krom se sa abato mentim ho asabato montwi abato basabasa no se tibi ambre na se a oman yebedinya oman yebedinya na that said the interior minister say they are going to treat those cases as criminal. I know he's basing on the Vigilantism Act to deal with amanfoa ekoye basabasaye honum some found some NDC some found some NPP. The law must be the law. Or some brand new be o two sana more we piano CJ edi because he antwe dia na opening econom says ya bedu be obi abeso de nyonko ne be che no. Yeah. Eti onse utie NDC and Penophobia some Kenya say they are referring to Ayawas.
Yes.
A time will come NPP might also refer to Ablekuma North.
Yes.
So it means that the cycle of attacks and that is the danger aspect here say say me kwa to aba na me say basa yes ya fa so bi no se meko because etu na ya bono e bia na target CJ by free be sporadic suit na bia ba fom na ba beka what's the essence of this the danger ahead eso eti delicate finance CJ ode about the new visa policy not about length of stay US embassy CJ
Kwesi
yes US embassy so na ka say yo say new US visa we dey kakana we dey asem we dey we dey say that nyina nkomo aye di nyina nko e minister boy amane
fiada no nkomo aye di train ni ade
student no kra kwa omo ma enti na ma it was saying the new visa validity schedule announced by the US State Department for non-immigrant visas B1 B2 does not represent the length of stay in the US by holders. The chart the affairs at the embassy Rolf Oslan has clarified. In an exclusive interview with Daily Graphic at the U.S. Embassy in Accra, the Charity Affairs said the new visa policy, which revised the non-immigrant visa status from 5 years multiple entries to 3 months single entry, meant that Ghanaians issued with those visas had within 3 months to travel to the U.S. This also implies that any of the non-immigrant visas granted to any Ghanaian becomes invalid if he or she, upon receiving the visa, fails to travel to the U.S. within the stated period. According to the new policy, Mr. Oslan explained, the 3-month policy period is how long you have to enter the United States. It's not about how long you have to stay in the United States. And that is a common
quote.
The 3-month period is how long you have to enter the United States.
How long you have to enter?
Yes.
And not...
It's not about how long you have to stay in the United States. And that's a common misperception. That's here before Bembak Sadukod was saying. This also implies that any of the non-immigrant visas granted to any Ghanaian become invalid if he or she, upon receiving a visa, fails to travel to the U.S. within the stated period. So link is up to the court, you know. To see the mawa, also making sure say abosumi and santem obekwa America ono.
Yeah.
But it doesn't state say also the abosumi and san America.
Okay. Anyo. Yeah, bro. Mama me visa no. Yeah. Me na me bo
make sure say
na makono.
Onsaka visa na.
Bosumi and santem.
Also ko.
Umpo.
Also make sure say within 3 months ne dear. Also ko US.
Oh, guys.
I'm so mon can say the man wa odu US abosumi and san abetimi di hodum. Atisi we ye. Eja wado. And I'm so emwa. Na omo shadow interviews no and content because America go for United Airlines data ko na for bo to see the pabo no ya sana we drako eti daily graphic dey say about the boy buy.
Okay.
The Ghanaian Times the Bokata ensu eni odemo Muhammad Mubarak Mutaka foni aba
Interior Minister. It's a government accountability series. Interior Minister takes turn today. Yes.
And then I almost say,
a good, a good thing, a good thing. Yes. But I'm saying about no man for Ednam. Now my man for no near qua. Gidi no nti yakoni yakopem a ye nyina ti asese ompanifo boya mane o de bia meka so tan wiem hyem a de nti eduru baabi na se ewo so a oyem hwu bebre say before meduru no pilot no ma ye aware say baabi a yekui eyibo ko to beti kitchechega ti yes obe feel it today but because you already aware nti no ali opposition at a good thing yes kontabuo eye e ban sa manfo no nya gidie e wa ban ni mu it was a bay man capra na sempoano say no so de
afaso ni
basa ye see wo Ablekuma North abansa na mo tu ho ni na se ye kasa ho sunsun so bi kura eni na
mama ya twe wo maso eni ana mo aban ya tu
na manfo anya hotoso e was about good thing fellas kwacho fosu kudos we pray say it will sustained we pray to be sustained yes no matter how difficult it becomes because say most of the time they say if any member shall say there almost a government communication as I said drawback but I'm say any amount for to krunkrana mun
fine
se muye de na ka kira man for say moye dia obegye di
is that no munim baby are you free any bia ya ba bedru
don't sideline me Kofu Slams party's lack of engagement
mine na say na no dem you
ye ja na be pon so ye yinimu ye ja na be pon so
ye yinimu
papa o say before ye yinamo ye kokra mfre no na je ono nko a wo be pon so
and why no kon na me krofo mo he
to so betime bre
me nti obi ankan
this was also radio and no TV san what say the party kura ko hia na no wa akofa adwen sei to so osrom sabi and now say Oma NPP ni Ghana nyane so mfa so.
O chese wo nimdia obetimi e de aboa party.
Ana se wo nyina na modam.
Wonyini sa. Wonyini ma kokra ntete mpansa me.
Wonyini kwa sa modam.
Wo nimdia.
To so osoro mo.
Ya obetimi de aboa ama lokolo.
O kasa tumi se ni so nyina kwa tata na ase. And then before yes sir. He's the first former president of your party. Yeah, Otias. President direct 2 ministries to address unapproved port charges. Okay. And now no about also koto ye ewo Ablekuma North no. Eye Rabna Obin no gina mu de ma endi samyoko no. And a man bochire mu a odi emu enkunim da bokata so e de aba ene anope. The Ghanaian Times so enonom.
Okay.
CJ the custodian. Minority demands action on Ablekuma North vandalism. Or signing Alexander Fenyo Mark minority leader for ni aba. Ti dom kuma ma che je fem na ka se e basa ye course so e wa Ablekuma North no. E ben fo to na mo. Na wona ye ade a ensem fata no. Ye fa so hwe ye se fata enko enfa ma wo mom. NDC guru so ye certain alleged galamsey deals. Enti or the Joseph Yamin for ni aba o say Joseph Yamin denies involvement do. See say NDC pen fo bi pa ne asoja fo na galamsey se ye ko so isi. Hey, the custodian ebo amaniye.
Joseph Yamin, enra me ni post bi.
Okay.
Na Kofi Kwasi ma men kan Joseph Yamin ni poster. Oye no Facebook.
Okay.
Ma men kan sa post no. Na yenhwe efa nsema de bokata yi ebo hu dawru ya. Na o chese my attention has been drawn to a press release from the concerned small-scale miners in which they claim myself and the National Vice Chairman, Abanga, are behind what they claim illegal task force visiting their site. I want to put on record that I have no hand in the said allegations being leveled at me. For the records, I am not part of any Galamsey task force, neither have I been invited to even share ideas as to how to fight these illegal mining activities of some of these small-scale miners. If there's any task force parading around with my name, the said group is operating illegally and must be resisted from their operations. The work of the task force is strictly enforced by the state security and not party directives. For the records, I am not a miner. Neither do I do mining, nor own a concession. If anyone is impersonating me, the person or group of persons must be resisted or arrested. I urge the small-scale miners to leave me out of their issues and approach the right authorities in finding a lasting solution to their problems. For the request again, I am not involved in any such operations. And Honorable Joseph Yamin, as a necessary America said, no posted 23 hours ago.
Okay, that's Enra.
And not it. And no make it.
I'm sure the worker task was out. Joseph Yamin denies involvement.
Yeah.
To see if I'm trained. Dr. Alhaj Mahmoud Baumianso, Aquasra, Mammy Mavis, how comes in a free.
Okay.
After say now no about to course of Blue Bassa say see your more a kind also a call Aquastramo. And I'm doing your cross CJ, the Inquisitor. Case extradition process is activated. Come for some chicken of Rata Free America, which Mamma Ghana say,
that's a kianiki.
Obeba Killabula show. Mutane betray a pet. Macazobano. Avoid hot water baths. Dr. Peneka check Emma. I say, Mamma, I'm telling you, Susheno. Won't me. What was saying? What was saying?
And 9.
Baby,
maybe
any very social. What were we there? If we told them, what were we there? Or what me cause you are in social.